Question number 5, A part. So write down in ascending power of x the first four terms in the expansion of in the expansion of 1 plus 2x. Okay, student, one important thing, we do not expand this fully. The reason is, what is the reason that we will not expand this in fully? This is power 6. Why we are not going to expand this fully? Yes, students, please answer.
Because you only need the theorem.
Reason?
Sir, because we only need the first four terms.
Reason they are giving in question, you have to expand till first four terms. So I know the formula, student, I know the formula of binomial theorem, so I'm going to write first four terms of this. Okay, a power n. First let me write the binomial theorem. A power n for 0 nc0 nc0 and a power n plus a nc1. I hope you remember. Can you tell me, can you work with me? Can you tell me the working? Okay, a power
N minus 1.
okay, a power, very good, very good. A power n minus 1 and then b power 1, because over there in first term b power was 0. So b power 1. Okay, then these are two terms. What about third one?
NC2.
Very good. Plus nc2 a power n minus 2 and b power 2. How many terms are done?
3.
3. But I have to write till 4 plus nc3. Always, student, always remember, if you want to write first four terms, you have to go till nc3, because first term was nc0. That is why the fourth term is nc3. So nc3 a power n minus 3. Listen, when there is a nc3, so a power n minus 3 and nc3, so b power 3. So you can also consider when c, the number which is written with c, the same power of b will be written. This is a pattern. Over here c0, so I did not write b power 0. You can write, but it is not necessary that you write 0 over here. Okay. Okay, student, these are the four terms. Now, according to this expansion, I will input my values here. So what is my A? Student, what is A given in the question?
1.
What is B?
2x.
2x. What is N?
6.
6. Now, all of you, please write your input the values in this formula. Hurry up and then tell me, sir, what is your This is my answer. All of you, please. Input values one by one. Any power 0, it is 1. So I am not writing this. NC0 in 6C0. And any power, n power, 1 power, any number. So it is already 1. Okay, student. Six C0, and over here 6. Again, I'm writing 6C1. A is already 1, so I'm not going to write anything because A is 1. And now B2x. B is 2x and B power 2x, so it will remain same 2x. You may write in bracket. 6 will come here. 62. A I'm going to remove because A is 1, so it will be always 1. I'm writing 2x power 2 and 6. I'm going to remove A because it is 1. And B, I'm going to write 2x. Okay, student. Now, one by one, please tell me. One by one, please. What is the answer of first?
One.
What is the answer of first term? Okay,
One.
what is the answer of first term? 6C0. 1. Okay, 1. Okay, what about 6C1?
12x.
6C1 12.
नहीं सर मैं ओवरऑल बताया था.
No, just tell me 6C1.
6C1 6.
Okay, 6C1 is 6. Okay, then 6C2.
15.
Okay, 6C2 is 15. And what about 2 power x?
4x square.
4x square. Okay. Okay, what is 6C3?
20.
20. Yes, what is 6C3?
20.
20. And what is this? Two x cube means
8x cube.
8x cube. Okay, now what is the final answer now? After this, the last step. Okay, now what can I write instead of this one? 12x. Okay, what about this one? $60x square. Okay, what about this? 160x cube. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is this? This is the for expansion in ascending power of x. Do you know what is ascending power? First power, x power is 1, then x power is 2, then x power is 3. So this is ascending power of x. Now student, in part B, we will use this expansion and we will find the required answer. Now, the question is, be careful. Now keep this in your mind. I'm making star over here. Student, you have worked very hard. I'm giving you star here. The reason is I will be using this answer in next part. What is the next part? That is, find the coefficient of x cube. Find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of one minus x upon 3, bracket close. And now your expansion that you have done just right now, 1 plus 2x. One plus 2x power 6. Student, you have the answer of this expression, this expansion. This expression's answer, you have this one. It is written here. So I have to multiply the whole answer of this one with this. It depends on the question. No, I'm going to find out the coefficient of x cube. It means in this expansion, I will find the term x cube only. I only need x cube term. So now student, tell me, how can I find the term x cube only? Which term should be multiplied of this expression so that I can get x cube only? Can anybody tell me? 1 minus
160 x square.
1 minus x upon 3. Yes, Ramesh. Hamesh, you were saying something, Hamesh? Okay, what about this? Okay, yes, student. Which term should be multiplied with this expression only? I will multiply only those terms. I will not multiply other terms. 60. I'm writing the expansion of this bracket for your understanding only. Otherwise, I don't need to write all terms in this expansion. I will need only where I will get x power 3. Yes, student. Which term should be multiplied to get x power 3? Tell me.
The fourth term.
Number 1. If you multiply 1 by 160x cube, am I right? Am I right, student?
Yes.
Because if I multiply this one with 160x cube, so I will get the term x cube. Okay, second one. Second one, student. Hello. Second term, x upon 3 multiplied by 60x square. Are you getting my point? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Minus x upon 3 will be multiplied. Minus x upon 3 will be multiplied. Tell me. Yes, student.
60x square.
Minus x upon 3 will be multiplied by 60 x square. Then I will get the x power 3 term. Okay. Any other term? Any other term which can be multiplied and we will get x power 3? No one? Only this one? Hello, student. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone say that is this okay? Oh, all right. All right. The next step, 160x cube. Okay. Now this will be divided and then minus. Can I write 20x cube? What is the final answer?
Sir, 140x cube.
Very good. लेकिन हमारा आंसर 140x क्यूब नहीं होगा. बताओ क्यों? हमारा आंसर होगा 140. बताओ क्यों?
क्योंकि दोनों ने कोफिशिएंट का है.
Yes, because we have to write the coefficient of this. Good. Okay, please note down this completely. And if there is any question, you can ask me. The same question is question number 6. So after that, your assignment is question number 6. Home learning, only one question. Note down this one, and if you want to ask any question, you can ask me. And I hope it is interesting for all of you. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.